In this video, we are going to see how to enable CAPTCHA for a Magento admin login page. So for a security purpose, we need to enable CAPTCHA here whenever we log in the admin page for a Magento 2. So how to enable the CAPTCHA here? So let's go into this. So after logging in your admin panel, just go to stores, configuration, and then come down and click on advanced admin. So here you can see several options. So there it is, CAPTCHA. In default it was not enabled in Magento, so you can enable this CAPTCHA. Put as. If you want to change the font for the CAPTCHA, then you can change, but currently they have only one font, so leave it. And if you want to show CAPTCHA for just admin login page only, then you can click on this option. If you want the CAPTCHA to be shown in admin forgot password page also, then click on that too. Select these two options, and you can change this settings as per your wish. If you want to show CAPTCHA for login page on first attempt itself, then change this as 0. If the 0 is specified, CAPTCHA on the login form will be always available. So you can also change the case sensitive and other settings. So after filling this all the settings, then you can save the configuration. After saving the configuration, clear the cache. So the cache is cleared. Now we can check whether the CAPTCHA is displaying in our admin login page or not. Wow, it is displaying. So this is how we can enable the CAPTCHA for a admin login page, and this CAPTCHA will be displayed in password forget password page also. So it is displaying in both the pages. I hope you understand how to enable that. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for more Magento 2 videos.